Hello and welcome to a new video from Yogyakarta. This is the Tugu station. I just got into this commuter train, which is the cheapest train in Indonesia. It's more like a metro, less than a train, but look at this. It's very comfy, it's not too busy over here. I do have to say, I was filming before, but my audio was corrupted, so I'm just gonna play the clips and me talking over it, which is, you know, a bit annoying, but this is how the day has gone, really, for me. It just hasn't been a good day. I was very tired, but now I'm finally able to tackle this 1 hour and 10-minute train all the way to Solo Balapan. People are staring at me. Hello over there. Yeah, look at this. It has handles because some people will be standing, and it has racks for the luggage. So that's really cool. As I said, it's more like a metro than a train, but this was the cheapest train I could find. The second cheapest was 70,000. This one was 8,000, so that is absolutely great value for money. Anyway, while I'm becoming the main attraction of this train, I will catch you all when it starts moving. Look at this, guys. This is the platform, and this is actually how you cross from one platform to another. You go through the train and you come out on the other side, so that's pretty crazy. This is Jakarta station over here. Some security. This is the commuter line. There it says it. The last station is Palur. And there you guys have it again. All the stations that this train passes through. Starting from Jogja. This is Y01. And then all the way to Palur. Solo Balapan, where we're going, is Y11. That's the center of Surakarta. So yeah, guys, I'm going to catch you when this train starts moving. And there we have some train attendants. Interestingly, even the commuter trains have attendants. Down's leaving, but yeah. And this is what I mean. People just come in and they cross the train, even though they don't have to go to Palur or Solo. They just cross the train to get to the other platform. That's really funny. I've never seen that anywhere else. Look at that, guys. The door's just closed. And that means we're about to head off to Solo. It's going to be about 1 hour and 8 minutes, I think. And now we started moving. Let's go. Bye-bye, Jogja. Thank you. It is very rainy today, though. And you can really see it with the water on the window. And that's the entrance to this commuter station. It's actually a different entrance than the normal train station. Alright, guys, we've already arrived at our first station, Lempuyangan, and there's a lot of people coming in. I think we're still in the suburbs of Jogja, but look at that, guys. That's a bunch of people. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty full here. Alright, guys, we're almost arriving here in Solo Balapan, station Y11. Let's go. That was a pretty comfortable ride, honestly. It's a bit cold in the train. Obviously, this is a commuter train, so more a metro than actual long-distance train. But it's going from one city to another, so I count this as a train. And therefore, for me, this is the cheapest train in Indonesia. Welcome to a very rainy and dark Solo, Surakarta. This is the train that we've just been on, the commuter line. There's a Tomorrow Coffee, actually a really nice coffee chain, and I've tried out in the last few days in Jogja. But let's watch this train leave. There we go, the doors are closing and it's going to pull out of the station very shortly. And there we go, guys. That was our train. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what an economy train looks like. Obviously, there's 3 classes: economy, executive, and the panoramic train, which also passes through Solo. But I think it's now time to leave the station and find our hotel. I'm going to show you where I'm staying in the center of Solo. I really hope it's not too rainy when we leave the station. That is the narrowest escalator I swear I've ever seen in my life. But anyway, this is the exit from the station. I just passed through the gate. That was pretty easy. Well, that is not a good sign, guys. It's raining pretty heavily, as you can see. So many drops on the ground, so we're gonna have to get a grab. Even though my hotel is like 5 minutes away from the station. But look how grand and beautiful the station is. This is, again, very colonial, like the one in Jogja as well. But I've decided against taking a grab, and I will instead walk with an umbrella. Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna catch you in the hotel. Well, guys, let me show you what 25 US dollars per night can get you in Solo, Central Java, Indonesia. This is pretty insane, to be honest. The room is massive. Let me turn the camera around. Look at this. This is incredible, isn't it? This is a massive double bed in an old-fashioned style. Let's test it out. Oh, okay, this is good. This is a nice bed. Good quality. Then we have the lights. Look at the lights. And then the painting. This is so nice. The hotel is called Sahid Jaya, by the way. In Solo, 25 US dollars. Insane value. But then this right here is the seating area, which is pretty nice as well. There's currently no view, unfortunately, because it's dark. But I can see it's going to be very nice. It's on the 5th floor, but all the buildings around are not as tall as this one, so we will have a view. There's a walkway to the other room, which is currently closed because obviously somebody else is staying in there, I guess. There's a TV, a dustbin, a table, or a desk rather, some tea and coffee making facilities with some actual tea and coffee. That's very nice. You don't really get that much in Indonesia. And then some slippers over here. As well as, oh wait, that's for laundry. That's the price for laundry. A wardrobe that looks pretty massive with a light. And then over here's the bathroom, which I also haven't seen yet. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, we have an own room for the shower. Okay, that is lovely. That's a massive shower. And then a sink with lots of toiletries. Look at that, it's branded too. This is very nice. And then over here is the bog. The toilet with a bidet, of course. So yeah, 25 US dollars, which in Indonesian rupiah would be around maybe 400,000, something like that. Maybe a little less than that. Sahid Jaya is a hotel chain. This used to be one of the best hotels in Solo. Now it's a little bit outdated, but you've seen me come through the lobby. It's pretty incredible still, isn't it? But yeah, guys, the train also was very nice. I know it's a commuter train, but it connects two cities. So for me, this is a normal train. I would consider it as a normal train, and therefore it is the cheapest train here in Indonesia, and it's such good quality. Imagine going from one city to another for about 40 cents with that level of comfort. Amazing. Also, it was on time. Can you believe it? Germany could never. But yeah, guys. Also just noticed the AC over here. That's nice. But I have one full day in Surakarta in Solo. I will explore it tomorrow. I'm going to make a video on that as well. So if you want to see that, please subscribe. Please comment what other videos you would like to see me do here in Indonesia, especially in Java. And I'll see you all very, very soon from the next one here in Indonesia. Bye for now.